Okay, so what we have here is the chain off the old CB 550. So I thought maybe it'd be helpful to just have this very brief video on how to remove the master link and reinstall it. Basically, all you need is 3 simple tools. You need, well, a hammer. I'm going to use a 5-in-1 tool and a pair of needle nose pliers. I saw another person do this and they used a chisel. It just really rubs me the wrong way as a carpenter to use a chisel for this. That's why we're using the 5-in-1 tool. Basically what it comes down to is you take anything with a semi-sharp or at least straight edge. In fact, I'm going to use a 4th tool. I am going to use a clamp to hold the chain in place. Wrong clamp. Right clamp. So let's swing over here so you can see what I'm doing. And all I'm going to do is clamp the chain to the work surface just to make it so it doesn't move around on me. Got to hold the clamp back just enough to let the clip from the master link come off. So I believe I've got to the point where it's gonna, yeah, it's pretty snug without being immovable. So you just take the straight edge of your tool here and with the old tap tap. Okay. We got it started, so we'll just give it a couple more taps on one side. There you go. Okay. And that is how you remove the master link clip. So now that that clip is off, you can take any screwdriver, your 5-in-1 tool, anything you can do to just pry off this plate off the pins. Okay. And then you can take both sides of the chain off of the back side of this master link. And there you have the other side of your master link. Okay, so now this chain is ready to be, before I reinstall it, going to be soaked in some kerosene to clean it up. And then we'll get it lightly lubed and then reassembled on the bike. That's it. And then the reverse is true. All you have to do is put the clip on back like this. Use the same 5-in-1 tool and hammer just to tap it back on in that direction. And that's it.